Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and enabling the feature. This saves time later. Sign into your Apple ID and make sure iCloud Sync is active so context is shared. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Apple Intelligence. Turn it on and grant the requested permissions for Siri, dictation, and data access. Once done, allow the system a few minutes to index your files and messages so the assistant has the right context for accurate responses. Now you refine how Apple Intelligence helps you day-to-day and why those choices matter. Go to Settings, right arrow Apple Intelligence, and customize personalization. Permit on-device learning for faster, private suggestions, and enable app suggestions where useful. Next, pick data sources: mail, messages, notes, calendar, documents, so results are relevant without exposing everything. Make deliberate privacy choices between local processing and iCloud. This balances convenience versus data sharing. Once configured, perform a quick search to verify suggestions, match your workflows and preferences. You finish by integrating Apple Intelligence into real tasks and knowing how to fix common issues. Use it from the contextual menu, Spotlight, or a keyboard shortcut. Try concise prompts, and then add context for better output. Pair with shortcuts to automate repetitive tasks like summarizing emails or drafting replies. That's why automation saves time. If suggestions seem wrong, re-index Spotlight, restart your Mac, or toggle Apple Intelligence off and on to clear cache. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.